Alright, so I had the Highlander for a few weeks now, and the lights inside are just not cutting it. I need more light. Whenever I drop my phone or I'm looking on the ground for something, it's just really hard to see. And if you own an older car, then you probably know what I'm talking about. A lot of newer cars already come with LEDs, and that's great. But if you want to switch yours out, I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks to show you how to do things, especially for the Highlander. Especially, every car's a little different. But I'll definitely do that, and at the end I'll certainly show you guys what it looks like with the interior lights as LEDs and how much light it throws in the dark of night. And it should be a big difference. I know it was in my Honda. So if you guys are looking to change your own out and just want to see if it's worth it, or kind of looking which ones you should use, in the description down below I'll certainly put the ones that I'm using. In Amazon, of course, it's where I get most of this stuff, right? But yeah, that said, I just want to get to it and have it installed ASAP because I can't take it another day. SK Lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Alright, so you see that? What you need to do is once you get it popped off, which isn't too bad, it's pretty easy to pop it off. But once you do that, what you want to do is get the bottom piece to link into those bottom two notches. And then once you do that, you saw me with the knife, I pull the top part of the white bracket piece forward, clip the clear plastic into it, and then it'll sit back into the recess. So if you just try to push it and get it to clip back in on itself, it's too tight within this area here for the clear plastic to get to be able to push into the bracket piece that houses the bulb and everything. So again, you just get the clear plastic to clip underneath because you can see that and you can get them to rest in. And then as you lift the top piece up, again, take the knife, push the white piece forward, clip the clear into it, and then you can let it sit back into where it's supposed to be. Same thing with these lights up here. If you see, it looks like there should be a good enough amount of room for like a razor, or I got the little plastic pieces, so you know, stuff like this should be able to get in here. That's kind of tight. I do have a metal blade. I used this, it got in there, but it was too flexible. So what you want to use is just a standard butter knife, and you want to slide it up in there. And now, mind you, it looks like there's one, but there's two little prongs in there, about 1/8 of an inch separated. So as you push in here, you got to get both of them to come out. You see those two? And you see how easy it was with a knife? I won't show you and I'll spare you the time, but it took me about 10 minutes with that other stuff, and nothing could get it. It could prop open a little, but you still need the force to be able to push inwards and down at the same time. And only this butter knife is thin enough and strong enough to do that. So save yourself the time, and that's how you should do those. Alright, so this is the moment we're waiting for. See what it really looks like. And yeah, let's take a look. So that's real nice. Really bright. Looks real good. So you can see my face a little better. Yeah, I like it. You can see the lights down there. It's just really good all around. And trust me, the camera doesn't do it justice. This is super bright, easily 5 times brighter than it was, and you can just see all around in the cabin. I'll put my light away, but yeah, it's just really nice. Other than that, you know, it's not too bad. My Honda was a little easier. The clips worked a little bit better even for an older car, but these are fine once you know the tricks that it needs to be able to get it done. So any other questions or comments, leave those down below. I will do a quick mention of the lights that I'm using on this that I got from Amazon, and I'll leave that description down below as well. So be sure to subscribe. Thank you for checking out my channel. I'll see you guys next time.